Hi, Assalamualaikum, with me again, Teacher Rin. We go further to the next subtopic in this chapter, which is 1.4, the use of measuring instrument, accuracy, consistency, sensitivity, and errors. In this video, I will explain to you how to use the right measuring instrument and use it in the right way to measure accurately and consistently the quantities of length, mass, time, temperature, and electric current. For the purpose of measurement, different measuring instruments are needed to collect data in an experiment. We need to ensure that we use the right measuring instrument to measure the quantities of length, mass, time, temperature, and electric current accurately and consistently. Here, I want to show to you the meaning of three important terms in this subtopic, which is accuracy, consistency, and sensitivity. What is accuracy? Accuracy is the ability of measuring instrument to obtain a value closest to the actual value. How about consistency? Consistency is the ability of measuring instrument to give the same reading with repeated measurement. And sensitivity means the ability of the measuring instrument to detect a small change in the measurement quantity. Let us review 5 physical quantities with its measuring instrument and the unit that used in the physical quantities. Do you remember that we have learned about physical quantities in our previous class? In today's class, we will see what is the measuring instrument that will be used in each of the physical quantities that you have learned before. Now, let us review back what is the physical quantities that we have learned. The first one is length, mass, time, volume, temperature, and the last one is electric current. Length is the distance between 2 points. We can use ruler and measuring tape to measure length. The SI unit for length is meter. However, we can also measure length using other units such as kilometer, or the symbol is km, millimeter, mm, centimeter, cm. How about mass? The mass of an object is the quantity of matter in it. We can use lever balance and triple beam balance to measure mass. The SI unit for mass is kilogram, or in short form, we write it kg. We also can measure mass by using gram or g. The next physical quantities is time. we will use stopwatch to measure time. There are two types of stopwatch, which is digital stopwatch and analog stopwatch. The SI unit for time is second, or the symbol S. However, we could also use minutes, min, hour, H, or day to measure time. To measure a volume of liquid, we can use measuring cylinder to measure the volume of water. Other instrument that could be used is beaker and also burette. The unit that we use to measure volume is cubic meter or m cube, cubic centimeter or cm cube, liter, L, and milliliter, ml. How about temperature? Temperature is the degree of heat of an object. We always use thermometer to measure temperature. There are two types of thermometer. Laboratory thermometer can be used to measure temperature with an accuracy of 1 degree Celsius. And clinical thermometer can be used to measure temperature with an accuracy of 0.1 degree Celsius. The unit for temperature is degree Celsius and Kelvin. However, the SI unit for temperature is Kelvin. Next is electric current. An ammeter is used to measure electric current in a circuit. What is the unit for electric current? The unit for electric current is ampere. Okay, that's all you need to know with the measuring tool and the units. See you again in the next part to see how to use each of the measuring instrument in the right way. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.